Hi, it's Rob from Joe Workman Stacks. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use crosslinks with the Tabulous 2.5 stack. So you'll see here this is the way Joe has it set up. You can do this any way you want. You can, the tabs don't, or the images don't have to be set up this way. You could have images in 4 different corners using Joe's target stack and it would work the same way. This is just the file that is on the Tabulous 2.5 disk image. And if you want this, look at the FAQ for the how to do crosslinks, and there's a link to this demo project. So what Joe has done here though, and the links can be anything too. Joe's using images, but it can be text, it can be anything, and it will link to this the Tabulous stack accordingly. Okay. So what you first have to do is set up what you want to link with. And Joe set up 4 images here. He set them up in a 2 responsive column with 2 columns inside of that. So you've got a total of 4 columns. Then what you need to do is you need to set up your Tabulous stack. So you put your Tabulous stack in, add all your images and text that you want in there. And when you're also doing this, you're going to want to go down to the bottom. There's a new setting at the bottom of the Tabulous stack that's called Tabulous Advanced, and you'll want to make sure you have customized Tabulous IDs checked. Then you want to name your custom ID, and the name can be anything you want it to be. Okay. Joe used crosslink here, but if you want to name it tab number 1, so you know that goes to 1 Tabulous, and if you're doing it cross-linking with 2 Tabulous stacks, name the second one tab 2. It's all up to you. Okay. Once you have your Tabulous stack built and your customized ID typed in, you then want to start linking your images or text or whatever you're going to use to the Tabulous stack. Since Joe used images in this example, you'll click on an image. You'll just add a normal link by clicking on the Add a Link. And for the URL, and you'll also notice down here in the Custom Attributes we'll have to add something, but in the URL, you put a hashtag or a pound symbol and then the name of the stack you want to link to. Now you'll notice Joe has the first one here as Tabulous Reborn, and if I cancel out of this and scroll down, that's the first tab. You'll also notice how Joe has done it is he's matched the icons here. So the first picture of the star will match with that star in the tab, and so on with the rest of the images. But let's go back to that link. So the link is a hashtag or a pound sign with the name of the stack. If the name has 2 words like this one does, Tabulous Reborn, you want to make sure they're all lowercase, but have a dash where the space is. Okay. Then you want to add a custom attribute by clicking on the plus symbol. And the first thing is you want to add is this little line of code right here. And you'll notice that this code can also be found in the Tabulous stack, and I'll show you that in a second. But it's data-liquid slider-ref. Okay? Then the value is going to be Tabulous, and this word Tabulous is always going to be in the value. But the remainder part is going to be your customized ID that you chose. And as we showed you before, Joe chose cross-link. Okay? So it'll be Tabulous dash and whatever your customized ID is. Again, if there's spaces, you want to use dashes. So his value here is Tabulous dash cross dash link. You click on set, that links up the image to that tab. Let's look at the next one. This is feature rich. Okay. Again, it's got that data-liquid slider-ref, has the Tabulous word and the cross link, which is a customized ID. Again, the hashtag with the name of the tab set in the URL. Go to the third image. I believe this one has 3 words in it. So you'll notice there's 2 dashes between each of the words. Again, with the hashtag or pound symbol. The same custom attribute in here. And the last image we'll look at real quick. And it's just a 1-worded one. And it's got, again, the custom attributes set the same way. Okay. Now, if you don't remember that code, you can always click on the Tabulous stack. Go all the way back down to the bottom of the settings, and it tells you down here that you need to set up the data-liquid slider-ref, and that you'll also need to set that attribute to Tabulous-my ID, the customized ID. Okay, so Once you have that all set up, you've linked your links to the correct Tabulous tabs. You have the cross linking set up with the correct attribute added, and you should be ready to go ahead and preview. And once you do that, you should see your images. And again, this can be anything, can be text. Images don't have to be in this concept. But this is just the way the demo project has. But as you click an image, it will link to that stack. So it's a very cool way to make image tabs. It's a very cool way to link to text if you want. Again, this project file is on the Tabulous 2.5 disk image. If you do not get the disk image because you have a Sparkle update, then you might want to look at the FAQ page, and there's a download link there for the project file. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it shows you how easy it is to make something as nice looking as this Tabulous stack here with picture tabs. And enjoy the stack. It's a great update, and I enjoy your weaving. Thanks.